हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम अपने ऑस्कर के लिए मील बनाने जा रहे हैं। तो जैसा आप देख सकते हैं कि काफ़ी डेस्परेट है अपनी मॉर्निंग मील के लिए। और मील के लिए मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा। बेसिकली मैं यूज़ करता हूँ इसके लिए फोकस ब्रांड का स्टार्टर सीरीज़। और ये सीरीज़ मैंने इसलिए चुना क्योंकि ये इसमें एक एडिक्वेट अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटीन और फैट कंटेंट होता है जो कि एक ग्रोइंग अप पपी को रियली रिक्वायर्ड रहता है। तो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा। जैसे आप देख पाएंगे कि इसका जो प्रोटीन कंटेंट है वो 32% है एंड फैट कंटेंट मिनिमम 22% है। और बेस्ट पार्ट इस प्रोडक्ट का मुझे ये लगा कि इसमें रियल चिकन यूज़ किया गया है और इसमें कोई भी चिकन बाय प्रोडक्ट नहीं है। जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि ये 4 kgs का पैक था जो MRP 1900 है, पर मुझे ये पैक जो मिला वो 1470 में मिला अमेज़ोन से। देखेंगे आप इसके किबल तो ये काफ़ी छोटे हैं और ईज़िली डिज़ोल्व हो जाते हैं सो दैट कि पपी को इशू नहीं आता खाने में। ऑन द अदर हैंड यदि मैं आपको कंपेयर कराऊंगा दूसरे पपी से, ऑल्दो ये स्टार्टर नहीं है, देयर इज अ मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्टार्टर एंड द पपी feed is that puppy feed can be used once your puppy attains age of 3 months, but just for a comparison because there is a difference between the prices of these two, and gradually and slowly as your puppy will grow up, so one can shift from starter to normal puppy food. And puppy food mean to say, when we talk about puppy food, it can be given up to the age of 1 year, and after that you can give your puppy the adult food. यदि आप इसकी ingredients की बात करेंगे तो as you can see that here chicken and chicken byproducts are used, so which is a little bit of worry. I think I understand that this is because of the price saving factor, because तभी ये सस्ता भी है. And if I talk about the protein content here, in focus it was 32, whereas here it is 20% and fat is 10%. So you can see that it has not got that adequate amount of nutritions which a puppy might require. And if I take you to the kibble, I think they are resembling a tablet size. But let me give you honest feedback, because although I used Drool Focus when my puppy attained the age of 4 weeks, and later on was just for testing mode, I put him on Meetup, but this was not very liked by my puppy, and because he was not showing too much interest in it. अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे मैं इसका मील प्रिपेयर करता हूं, और उसको प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, बिकॉज फॉर योर इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं इसको अभी 4 मील देता हूँ विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर हिज एज. one at 8 AM, another at 12 noon, another at 4 PM, and last meal at 8 PM in the night. So I have got this weighing scale at my place, so I will just show you. Okay, we'll put it to 0. Yeah, here you can see. Yeah, so what I take 25 to 30 grams of focus. Yeah, approximately 31. I'll just take it some away so it comes to 30. Yeah, here it is. And after it, I take it aside once I've taken the weight. So this is 30 gram of starter. So I will add some hot water to it. Yeah. Basically the concept is that because puppy don't have that tendency that they can chew these hard cables, so what we do that we it is recommended that we soak it in water, preferably in hot water or lukewarm water, for some time, so that they can get dissolved and become softer. And also you can crush them if required. So I'll wait for another 5-10 minutes, and after it, while giving a feed, before that, I will add some curd. So curd is very necessary because it cultures good bacteria in the gut of puppy, and it's required. So my puppy likes it. So I'm sure that your puppy also does. So don't forget to add curd. Uh, Milk you cannot give straight, but yes, milk product you can give. So this is recommended. So this is a meal, typical meal which I give to Oscar 4 times in a day, as I mentioned. And I could see that there is a very much progress in the uh, weight of the puppy as well. I will just show you the weight progress, where I have taken some data for the weight, which weight record basically, which I have started keeping. Uh, on 26th of April, his weight was 1.75 kg. He was for 27 days when I got him, and it gradually increased. And the last weight which was taken by me was on 16th of May. He had attained a weight of 4.5 kg for 47 days, I think, which is very decent. So it is very important that you should take care of puppy in early days, because once the puppy will become adult dog, I think nothing more can be done. So it is very required in the childhood days. And equally important is the vaccination, which we should never forget. And I keep a note that vaccination is required. And this is the first vaccination 9-in-1 which I got for a puppy. Another are scheduled as per the date mentioned by the vet. So I will get those as the date will arrive. So this was all about today's session. So this is how we need to take care of our puppies. So I wish you all the luck, and for any further information, please do comment, and I would request you to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.